Alright guys, this is the last time we're gonna see these stickers on the bike. First, I really didn't like this shit, but it has kind of grew on me. But I really like the old-fashioned like racer type look, and I want people to be able to tell that it's actually a Suzuki. You know, like there's no, you can't really, well, most people would know if you know about motocross or dirt bikes, you know that's a Suzuki. This is really the only thing that says Suzuki on it, and you can't really see it. So I'm gonna get the old-fashioned, I mean not old-fashioned, but they're pretty much stock. I think I got the 03 radiator stickers or decals, whatever. I'm not changing out plastics yet. Rocky Mountain ATV came through the other day with my order for the new gas cap, and the swing arm stickers that's got the Suzuki on there, Suzuki logo. Like this shit came in the other day. I'm still waiting on the the radiator shroud covers. I think that's what they're called. I got this Tusk gas cap, and I'm going for more of a blue look too. I'm gonna bring out more of the blue, just little hints of red. I got these Showa stickers for the upper forks. So this is the last we'll see of the honeys on the bike with them big old things protruding, and the little leprechaun guy. It is pretty, I mean, it's a badass look. It looks better on the bike than what you see online. The pictures of the decals. From what I see online, you gotta be smoking to get this. But it looks better in person. I do kind of like it now, I'm not gonna lie. But like I said, I like the racer type look better. I eventually want to get number plates. You know, I don't race, not yet at least. I just want it to look like a race bike. And to me, this looks more like a, what do you call it? Oh, I can't think of nothing right now. I'm just trying to soak up as much views as I can, so I can go back and look at this someday and be like, yeah, that was my first dirt bike right there. This is what it originally looked like. Alright, I'm gonna start peeling this mug off, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like without anything on it here in a little bit. I'm gonna get to peeling. I'm not gonna record all that, but I'll show you the finished product. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished product. Well, not all the way finished. I still don't have the radiator shroud graphics yet. But as you can see, I put on the Showa fork stickers and the swing arm stickers and the gas tank cover. Took all those stickers off last night. It got pretty dark, so I wasn't able to get footage in. But I'm back today, gonna hit the track for the first time in a while since tearing apart the engine. So yeah, the bike's looking pretty clean. Some of the plastic is pretty clapped, but it is what it is for now. And I noticed this was getting covered up by the stickers. It's broken. But I'm ready to hit the track. I really like this. Went away with that old stock thing with the tube that went down into here. Looks a lot more clean. This is some standard Suzuki. This motorsport sticker, motorsport.com.